Welcome to our channel. If you want to claim free trials and subscriptions through credit card, welcome bonuses, and cardholder benefits, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Review your credit card's terms and benefits by visiting your card issuer's website or calling the customer service number on the back of your card. Step 2. Log in to your credit card account online and navigate to the Benefits, Offers, or Rewards section to see what complimentary trial services are available. Step 3. Look for welcome bonuses if you've recently received a new credit card. Many premium cards offer free trials to streaming services, travel apps, or subscription boxes as part of their welcome package. Step 4. Identify the services you want to try from the available options. Common offerings include streaming platforms, meal kit services, digital news subscriptions, and travel protection services. Step 5. Click on the benefit you want to activate and read through the terms and conditions, including the trial length and whether you need to cancel before being charged. Step 6. Follow the activation instructions provided, which typically involve visiting a special website or entering a promotional code during the service's sign-up process. Step 7. Complete the enrollment using your credit card information. For most card benefits, you'll need to use the specific card associated with the promotion for verification. Step 8. Verify that your trial has been successfully activated and note when it will end. Set a reminder if you need to cancel before the free period expires. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.